Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. All right, you guys, I bought this fish tank stand. It's real nice. Let me actually I'm gonna read it off to you, that way I can tell you exactly what I got right here. I got this baby right here. This fish stand right here is let's see. Hey, this is an excellent fish stand if you have two aquariums, specifically a 20-gallon tank, and you're thinking about getting a 40-gallon breather. The top holds a 40-gallon breather. It holds up to 660 pounds. Also, a regular 20-gallon will fit down the bottom, so you could display two tanks into one stand, and it definitely holds the weight. It's up to 660 pound capacity. So I'm gonna get this baby rocking here. Let's get it going. Hey, they packed it real nice. They got the styrofoam here. So it's a little red string here on the side. What's this red? Okay, let's take this off. That's the little top. So it's packed really nice. Got the styrofoam. Here's the instruction manual. On this particular product, you know I'm definitely going to read the instructions because this baby was heavy. There's all your parts. Here's a couple pages. Don't look too bad. Not too many pieces. I've had worse things I put together. So most of the pieces are kind of large. And you got those little screw-in things that you can use a screwdriver. Or I think they give you a little screwdriver too. Yeah, so see, it's not too many parts there. So I should be able to knock it out in fairly good time. Even though I'm just by myself though. So that's the instruction book right there. Let's start. Here's your tool bag. There's all your tools, all your accessories right there in the one bag. Normal things, your pegs. There's for your door. They're going your door. The hinges for your door, right there. The red string there. Oh, that was on the bag. So let's get some more of this styrofoam out of here. What's over here? Okay, all that's padding. So see, it's really padded real nice. I know that bad boy was heavy. Had to use all my muscles to get up in here. And here's the different piece. Oh, look at that side. I like that one side there. Ooh, I like that. It's got the little different design in it on there. Oh, I like that. That's cool. That's real nice. That's the door. So that design is on one side of the door. And it looks like all of them got leathers on it too. That's cool. They all got leathers on it. Hey, look, you guys, this is what I did, right? I laid everything out. See, I got everything out. I got all the pieces out. All the pieces do have leathers on it. Sometimes you get some stuff like that and don't have the letters and numbers on it. You see how I did? Every bag has a number on it. So what I did, I laid it out on the box and I wrote the actual number underneath the particular bag that's on the bag. So that way I ain't got to keep trying to find the little number on the bag. So I know just by looking at that number when I go along the instruction book which one I need. Hey, all right, you guys, here's the progress I've done so far. You always see videos where people go step by step, fast forward, montage and all that. So I'm going to get right to it. So right now I'm on number 7 and 8 right here in this area. So I'm putting the pieces together right now. This is where I'm at so far. Got my little drill there and I'm using theirs. All right, you guys, I'm gonna show you the finishing product. Sorry I didn't do step by step, but I'm the type of person, once I get to working on something, especially if I'm recording by myself, I just, can't keep going back and forth to the stopping the video and all that kind of stuff. I just like to get the work done. But basically, here's the stand right here. I set it. It only took me 2 hours to set up. 2 hours, and that was with taking a half an hour pizza break, because the pizza came, so I ate some pizza. So it took me 2 hours to do, an hour and a half to do by myself. And you see, I actually put my this is a 40-gallon breather tank I just got. I'm setting it up now. So I've had my 40-gallon breather tank on it all night, with the sand in it and this amount of water in it all night long. And you see, this is the reason I got this stand, because I already had the 20-gallon, and you can see the 20-gallon fits right underneath. And look how much room I still got at the top. So you can still feed your fish or whatever you want to do. I'm gonna do another fish down there, so you can have 2 tanks. This is the reason I got it: the 40 breather up top and the 20-gallon down the bottom. And look, it's just water. I gotta clean it up. But basically, this drawer opens up. You can put stuff in here. It goes up like that. And this one opens up like that. You got your 2 shelves right there. And like I say, solid. It's definitely heavy. 2 people can knock it out in no time. As long as you ain't fussing with each other. But that's it right there. This is a really good tank. It's really affordable too. I think I got it for like $125 or something. I'm gonna put a link in the description. But I think that was like a sale price. Plus, I shop on Amazon so much. I think I knocked 20% off of it. So, I'm gonna put it down link. Maybe you got some kind of deals on your Amazon account or whatever. But this is good. It's solid. Like I say, 40-gallon breather, specifically made. Even that still got a little room left on both sides of the 40-gallon breather. So this is a solid tank. I'm not sure if it's a dual 55. 55 probably is a little bit longer, but if you got a 20-gallon already and you're getting a 40-gallon breather, 40-gallon breather is a perfect tank. Make sure you guys stay tuned and everything. I'm probably another 5 days or so, I'm gonna start adding fish to it and everything. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll show you about the fish and everything. Got my pump, so we'll get all that on another video. But hey, like and subscribe. Link is in the description. Catch you on the next one.